Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dear members of DailyNetPay. This is John Kielec. I'm the admin of DailyNetPay and its private trade shares. First of all, before I present the Fridays or the week ending September 27th, which is today, Friday, the weekly private trading stats, profits, I just want to remind you of something. What you are looking over here, this is our major fall promotion. And I tell you, it's just today alone, we got 146 prospects. Over the week, since this week, we got actually 900, just breaking a little over 904 prospects from this offer. We have huge promotions out there, and this is an offer that nobody can refuse. This goes out to the new members, and not new members, for new members, because they absolutely got nothing to lose in here. And if what we have with DailyNetPay and our team builds, if you don't earn here, I will even pay you $500. So this offer is about you, and you want to be part of this offer. Well, guess what? Promote this DNP autoresponder links, or it's a capture page link. There's several different names for it, but anyways, this is it's the most common one. You log into your DailyNetPay members area, go to banners and URLs, and click the one that pay you autoresponder. And this is mine, John K. And also, okay, by the way, tonight's all DailyNetPay private trade shares commissions earnings have been paid out to those members who have the compound off. And also all the compounds that are compounding their earnings have been updated, upgraded. All the payouts, everything is done. And so you want more free advertising? Well, guess what? Go to our DailyNetPay Facebook group, and you can see it right in here. And same thing. You see this post, I just got paid. Have you earned from the DNP private trade shares? Have you got paid from the DNP private trade shares? Share your DNP experience in here. Basically, put your comment in here and include your link in your comment. We're going to take that link and we're going to put you into this special co-op promotion. All right, so this is very, very important that you do understand this, and DailyNetPay, share it, because we're being out there. You see, like Mel's over here, he's got a comment in here, pay you $500. There's several other Eddie. So put your comments, change your comments, put some positive comments in here, and you get sign-ups, you earn referral commissions, and even more. And even if you get into our pool team builds, they might join you under in there. So very vital information, free advertising just by posting your comments, and all members in DailyNetPay get paid. So once again, this is it. Now let's go to the charts. Bring up the charts. The 6 markets that I watch is USD Canadian dollar, British pound USD, Euro USD, Japanese or British pound with Japanese yen, British pound New Zealand dollar, and of course Bitcoin. So let's start off with USD and Canadian dollar. You can see this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, trading 5 days a week. Starting Monday, we had a pretty good day in here. We took the first trade with a profit, and we took another longer trade, and that you can start it over here. See when these two circles and went all the way up here. That's our trade, all right? And this is, we came up with a profit in here. During that trade, I took another trade in here, and with FX, and this was an Oenda, this was an FX choice, and we got hit our stop loss. You can see the reason, because this big spike in here, the markets were kind of, end of month, markets get very volatile, they move up fast, they go down fast, and this is, we got stopped out with our stop loss. But anyways, rest of the week we had some hedged accounts in here, we had profits, more in here, and there was another nice profit from up here going down, you can see that, and more over here. So not bad for USD Canadian dollar. In British pound against US dollar, well, this was a little bit different story. Monday, Tuesday was not, we got a signal to go down, and you know, it was a nice downtrend. I don't know why I didn't follow the trend over here, but I got an idea, because the Bollinger Band, sometimes the Bollinger Band you cannot follow. See, if you get signals from somebody else, many members contact me, John, I want to learn how to trade and whatever. I tell them, because I don't teach trading. I do have my own plan, but you know, becoming a professional trader, a good trader, takes weeks of experience. You first got to learn about the basics, about trading, some indicators and whatever, then paper trade before you get good. It's not as easy. You know, even professionals lose trades. That's the way it's in the trading world. But anyways, in here was kind of bad choice on my part, and I went for prices up, and we got reversed, so we had a losing trade, few losing trades in here, and then we had a small profitable trade in here. Okay, so you know, that's the way it was. Euro USD. These two, you see the background is highlighted like in light green. That means we have open trades. These open trades are, you know, are stuck in there with the broker over the weekend till Monday morning or late Sunday night when they begin. But this is Euro and USD. We had a nice profitable trade up here, and but over here once again, it was we had a bad loss in here, because you know, it got up, and I thought the prices were going to go up again. Then all of a sudden we got a price down, we got stopped out, and then the markets did go down as the signal came in here. And even though the signal, the bottom, my other strategy that I use pointed to go up, and I did go up, but it was a long, like a, you know, 20-hour trade, almost, well over 24 hours, but we came ahead a bit in here. So you can see some of these trades are small, but profitable. And you know, and that's good. And British pound, Japanese yen. We started on Monday, was profitable trade. Here and here before Tuesday, we had a trade, and well, didn't work out again, okay? It was a hard trading week. It's end of the month, and end of the month, you got the markets could move really fast up, like you can see these spikes go up and go down. And the stop losses are hit fast, so even put more stop losses higher, but then you're gonna lose more, and when the stop loss gets hit. So, but anyways, another nice trend down. Didn't do much till Friday today, and we got another trade in here, which was profitable. And British pound, New Zealand. Okay. Now, Monday, well, start off with British pound, New Zealand. There was a losing trade that we had held over the weekend, and I put another trade in here, even though I got a signal going down, but then in our range in here, it gave me a signal to go up. It didn't work out. It was another nice trend down. So there was a small trade, profitable trade in here. There was another small profitable trade in here, another small profitable trade in here, nothing in here. And lastly, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I trade with FX Choice. We don't trade it with BitMEX anymore. You can see this was the trade that I was really worried because when the prices really fell down, and I said, oh my goodness, I got almost at the bottom. Because I thought maybe we're going to get another big candle to go prices down, then the prices reverse. But anyways, we took a profit over here. Wasn't that big of a profit, but it was a nice profit. Then we had other small trades in between which were profitable, and there was another small trades. I'm actually going to go to this chart and show you in here. You can see better what's happening, in my opinion, about Bitcoin. You can see this was the trade, and you can see these were the small trades in here. And I'm not trading lots. I'm trading like half a Bitcoin, $5,000 contract or anything like that, because I still kind of very skeptical about Bitcoin. I know the prices are going to go up sometimes when nobody really knows, but it's kind of downtrending. And you can see we got one, recent is downtrending. There's one high, second high, third high. So, you know, what I'm going to be doing, what I have been doing, buying small contracts, taking little profits, excuse me, and when it dips down. I'm not going to go when it breaks above here. That's okay. We'll see what happens, but I like it when it gets to the bottom over here, and bottom of the Bollinger Band, or it hits like resistance somewhere around here. I'll go for prices up. I'm more for positive for the prices to go up, because one of these days this thing's gonna shoot up. And what am I mean? I'm being cautious right now. One good reason why, and I think a lot of other professional traders are doing the same thing. The newbie traders are losing a lot of money, because see this over here, I'm gonna actually take this to the 4-hour chart, and you can see this better. All right, there we go. 4 hours. See this this plus over here? That's a 200-day moving average. Currently, the Bitcoin is trading below that. That's not so good. When you see 200 moving average and it's below that, well, that's kind of downward. So I am going to be just on the cautious side, because we have a couple Bitcoins and I don't want to lose. Even if Bitcoin prices go down a bit, we're still going to end up with a couple Bitcoins, but we're going to have the Bitcoin's going to just be worth a little bit less. But if we lose half a Bitcoin, or man, I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I talk, I get this. But anyways, but if we lose half a Bitcoin or a Bitcoin, well, then we're going to end up with 1.5 Bitcoin or 1 Bitcoin minus the less value of the Bitcoin. So I am playing the markets really safe until I see some big correction, until we at least see some kind of movement breaking above this current trend line. Like we have a nice resistance up here. This is a major resistance, and this was the big resistance in here. This was support, and that's when it broke down. This was the resistance. If the Bitcoin would have broke up there, it would have kept going up, but it broke on this side, and we took some nice profits, so we had nice trades. But right now, we're not trading. We got no open trades for the Bitcoin. The only open trade, like I showed you, is Euro USD, and that's an FX choice. Okay, this was another trade up here. We got stop loss, so we're at the current market over here. I believe it's going to be at least 50% retracement. It's getting up there, so it's going to hit this price level. About this one, I'm not sure, but if we can get a profit out of here, even if we take a loss over here, we'll still be pretty good. But those two trades are open, and that's an FX choice. Okay, so let's go. What kind of a week it was? Well, let's go in here. It was end of the month. Was not an easy trading week. Many global reports that moved the markets up and down and very fast. So we had many small profitable trades, but some of the stop losses were hit in higher price range. And some of these few of these stop losses, they were higher than usual and took some of our gains from our wins. But most importantly, we still came ahead with a profit. So for the trading results for Monday, September 23rd to September 27th were 2.14%. All right, so that's the way it is in trading. We had in Alanda, we had 13 wins. We have 3 losses, no open trades. And FX choice, we had 14 wins, 4 losses, and 2 open trades, which I showed you. So total trades in wins, we had 27, losses 7, and 2. So that's still pretty good. As profit is a profit. Of course, I'm expecting, like last week was well above 10%, but those are nice, super nice weeks, but sometimes it's not easy no matter what. Just like this week, I've tried to push it, and as soon as I got in, and the market was going a little bit out my way, and all of a sudden, it started going down. So take the profit and run. So then reverse the trade and forgo opposite, and that's what practically I've been doing this week. I don't like weeks like that. I like more smooth weeks, but end of the month and beginning of each month, the trades become very volatile with markets. There's many reports, month-end reports, and the prices are very volatile. They go up and down. Okay, so anyways, once again, ladies and gentlemen, remember what I showed you. If you got paid, getting paid from DailyNetPay, you want to be part of this, our big fall promotion, then I urge you to go to our DailyNetPay. Use the capture page autoresponder link, which is this one. Promote it in your DMP advertising platform. You can promote any other business, but if you want to be part of this, earn DMP referral commissions, I would highly recommend to use that. And also go into our DailyNetPay Facebook group. You see, just got paid. Make positive comments. Put your link in here, and you'll be out there part of this promotion. Thank you for watching. I wish you and your loved ones a safe and blessed weekend. Thank you.